Starting in Google Chrome, head to the web address www.tafesa.edu.au. Click My TAFE SA in the header and scroll down to log in with My TAFE SA. Click Login with Student ID and use your Student ID number, followed by your PIN to log in. If you haven't already changed your PIN, it will be your birth date formatted to 6 digits. For example, 10-10-99 would be the 10th of October 1999. You will be prompted to enter a new PIN. Do this and then click Login. To keep your account secure, you need to select a security question from the drop-down menu. Once completed, click Submit. Move on to Step 2, selecting the term.